Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to be playing a cool icebreaker called Sliding Scale Semantics. And so we are going to get started. And I'd like to thank my guests real quick, my players, Gary McFarland, who's looking for his next remote IT project management position. So check out him in the description below. And also we have Tim Nolan from Collin County, an applications manager for the local government, and Steve Fraser, who is a consultant at Eliason assigned to SiriusXM. But as always, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and of course, hit the little bell to make sure you get notified when new videos come out, okay? But if you would also like to support the channel, there are options in the description below. And now I'd like to add that you can actually sign up for Miro and it'll support this channel. So that link is in the description below, as well as you can purchase us a coffee or you can buy the swag. Buy the swag. Without further ado, let's roll that beautiful intro and we'll get started. We're going to be doing the sliding scale semantics game by Brandon Zhao. And you can just go to this LinkedIn here if y'all are interested later. I'll put the link in the description below to him as well. And but the first game is all you have to do is just a simple warm up for any good meeting. And you just are going to tell us what these dots. You're going to go in here and put your name here. Tim has already been the eager beaver and done so. And then we're going to just move some circles around on here. So everyone pick a color. And Gary, do you want a certain color?
Yellow's fine.
Yellow's fine? Okay.
Yeah, although I know in most places that means you're scared.
Okay. Gary is yellow. I thought it was a bright personality, but okay. And then we're going to just put, someone's already got the idea, right? Just putting the different colors on the map for on the scale. So if you're more of a night owl, put it more on the other scale. There's supposed to be another set of colors that's over here, but now it's there. So, yep.
If you select,
sorry, what?
I was saying if you select the color you want, hit Control D, that duplicates it, so you can kind of make multiple copies too.
Yeah, I'll just go ahead and participate in this one. I am like total night owl.
I guess I'm more morning or night person.
Yeah, I used to be a night owl, then I got old, so now I'm an early person.
I hope that happens to me. Where else am I?
Well,
you're a cat person.
You're a new dad, right, James?
I am.
So you're like, you have no sleep. I don't know if there's
Congrats.
You don't have early bird, you don't have night owl, you're just always up all the time.
Yeah, that's certainly how it feels.
Congrats, James.
Thank you. Yeah, I'll have to catch up more about that later.
Sure.
But yep. So that is the game. I don't know where Cliff is. Bring everyone to me. We're just gonna bring everyone to me again. Still don't see Cliff in here.
Oh, good. We all agree you don't like cats. That's perfect.
Yeah.
I really like you guys.
Someone's like on the dog. It's so dogs.
Yeah, I think that was Steve. Off the chart dog.
Oh, I'm cat person by extension.
Me too. Well, you just saw one of my cats. We have 2 kittens and a puppy in the house right now. So we've got all kinds of
gotcha.
new animals floating around.
Well, that was Sliding Scale Semantics, and I hope you enjoyed it. Hope it will help you have and open up great conversations at the start of your meetings or your next Agile event. And let me know if you enjoyed it down in the comments below. And of course, as always, I'm going to say it again, make sure you like and subscribe, ring the bell, and support the channel if you're interested. Thanks so much, guys. I'll talk to you later. Keep on learning.